my blueberry pie. Very
Butter
easy.
firms up again.
Flour, unsifted. Sugar, salt, a quick little mix. Stop.
look, it's so easy.
So then we're gonna go to the fridge or freezer. The butter has to be really cold and chopped into cubes. We're gonna pulse this until it comes to be little pebbles. And then we're gonna add some milk, 1 yolk. That's it. You're gonna gather that, put it in a roll like that, put there in a plastic wrap in the fridge. Fantastic. Look how beautiful that is. See that?
And it feels so good. This dough really has a nice touch to it.
All right, the main event. You really got to get really good blueberries. Wait till the summer comes to buy them. Flour.
But we've got some really fun varietals.
Cornstarch.
Blueberries.
Got to have cornstarch.
Yep.
Salt. Cinnamon.
Okay.
And then sugar.
That's
now,
right.
this is the part 1. You just want to toss this gently. And the point of this is to really to douse the blueberries in the cornstarch. The cornstarch really is the key to this. Then we're going to add to this some honey.
Ooh. Interesting.
Some vanilla, as much vanilla as humanly possible. Some lemon juice. Lemon zest. All right. Are you almost ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, we're just going to put this all
Perfect
together.
timing.
Now, normally, you'll see a pool of juice in the bottom. There's no pool here. And that's because we put that honey in. All right. Now, really, really well mixed. A beautiful, gorgeous
Yeah, that looks
pie.
fantastic.
And the other rule about making pie is don't drop
smells
anything.
so good.
But you have to overfill it to some
Yep.
extent.
I put it on top?
Yeah.
Okay.
You know how to crimp? You want to crimp, right?
mine off.
And you don't have to get crazy. And then we're just going to cut around the edge. And then, Katie, would you put a couple of sort of little vent holes on top of here? Just a few slits. So you preheat your oven. And I mean seriously preheat your oven, okay?
Should I put it in?
Little egg wash. This is with water. You can put just straight. And then sugar. You need to have a sweet crust. There's a whole school of thought. And the crust is really incredible. 425, 15 minutes, center of the oven. Then you reduce it to 375, 60 to 70 minutes. It's a long bake. Take it out, let it rest, at least 2 or 3 hours, or maybe more. You want it to be almost just barely warm or room temperature is the way you want to eat it.
I mean, this is a beauty.
Wow, lovely.
Who needs to go to the pie shop?
Thank you,
to
Mom.
do that?
That is
Thank you,
summer.
Martha.
Oh.
Should we taste? Are we ready?
I went to her house.
Looking
Oh,
fat.
man, dude, tight.
Wow, baby.
Yes.
High and tight.
High and tight.
It's like a haircut.
Just
I'm trying
made
to
a
stay
pie
away
that's
from the
like
pie.
a 12 out of 10, honestly.